Hi friends, welcome back to EXCELMAP. This is Srinivas Reddy. Friends, in this video, we'll discuss about the Power BI introduction. Nowadays, Power BI is the topmost reporting tool. We call it as business intelligence tool. Friends, in this video, we'll discuss what is Power BI, why we should learn the Power BI, why the Power BI is the topmost reporting tool, and what are the prerequisites to learn this Power BI, and what are the modules are there in this Power BI tool. All this we'll discuss, and please watch this video till end and like this video. Please do subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends also. Now coming to this concept, what is Power BI? Power BI is a standalone Microsoft Business Intelligence product which includes both desktop and web-based applications. So generally, when it comes to the Power BI, we'll load the data and do the modeling. After that, we'll visualize the data. All this we'll do in the Microsoft Power BI desktop. Once after completion of the report development in the Microsoft Power BI desktop, we'll publish into the web-based application called Power BI service. So there are two things in this Power BI desktop and Power BI service, and it has many modules. Nowadays, this Power BI we are using for different purposes, mainly reporting purpose. If you wanted to build any kind of reports, we are using this Power BI tool. We can say Power BI is the next level of Excel. Okay, just like Excel, Power BI also. Interface also you can see almost similar to the Excel. There are tabs, ribbons, options. Almost we can see there are some similarities in between Excel and Power BI. Both are developed by Microsoft only. But in the Excel we can't do many things. That is the reason they introduced Power BI. So we can do many things in the Power BI what we can't do in the Excel. Power BI is a business intelligence tool. In this we'll cleaning the data and modeling the data, visualizing the data. By using all, just we are going to build the reports. We are going to develop the reports and dashboards. Once after developing the reports, just we'll publish that reports into the Power BI service. There we can share and collaborate to the users, clients, to anyone. Once after completion of the reports, we need to share the reports to the end users. That option also there in the Power BI. So we can share the report to anyone, to the team members or inside the organization or outside the organization, internal users, external users, to anyone we can share based on our requirement. This Microsoft Power BI is the topmost reporting tool. From the last few years, this Power BI is a leading business intelligence tool. If you are comparing with any other reporting tools, we can see there is a Microsoft Power BI. That is the tool we can see in the top. Because every organization, from small scale industries to MNC companies, everyone are using this Microsoft Power BI because it has all the features and the versions are updating every month. So we can see the latest things and what we want to do, everything we can do by using this Power BI. That is the reason in the market, in the companies, everywhere, Power BI is the topmost reporting tool. The main reason is what? It has many data connectors. We'll take the data from the different sources. It may be files or databases, cloud, Power Platform, online services. Like there are so many data connectors, data sources are there. From any data source, we can load the data into the Power BI. Simply we can say, you can store the data anywhere. The data we can load into the Power BI and we'll do some kind of transformation. Then we'll prepare the report and we'll send it to the end users. If you are observing the Power BI architecture, first of all, we have hundreds of data sources are there. We are going to connect with the data sources, and by using this Power Query, we are going to do some kind of transformation. Then we are loading and doing some modeling. After that, we are going to prepare the reports in the Power BI desktop. Then we are going to publish the report into the Power BI services. There we are going to create some kind of gateways to connect the data from the on-premises. Once after that, then we are going to give the access to the end users or clients or else to anyone to access the report. So this is the Power BI architecture in high level. First of all, just we are going to connect the data source and just we are loading into the Power Query editor. So Power Query editor nothing but data preparation. Without using any kind of script or else formulas in the Power Query editor, you can transform the data. Like you can prepare the data how you need exactly. Once after that, just we are taking the data into the Power BI desktop. We'll do the data model. We call it as Power Pivot. After that, we'll do the data visualization. We call it as Power View. So in the Power BI, we have Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. In the Power Query, we'll do the data preparation, and in the Power Pivot to data modeling, and in the Power View, data visualization. So once after loading the data and by using DAX, we are going to prepare all kind of calculations like calculated columns and measures. After that, we are going to build the reports like this. Just normally we have so many visuals, like we can say charts, column charts, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, tree. There are so many different types of charts are available, and if we need some more extra, then we can take the few more visuals from the marketplace. We can call it as custom visuals also from the Power BI. So like this, just we can build the report, and this report you can share to anyone. Just we are taking insights and we are preparing the reports to understanding everything what is going on inside it by using this reports. So there are two prerequisites before learning this Power BI. Compulsory you should be expert in advanced Excel, because just before we discussed, Excel and the Power BI are almost similar, because both are reporting tools only. In the Excel, we should know some functions and the concepts, so how we are using the Excel and all. Then only this Power BI becomes very simple. And the requirement templates they are giving in the form of Excel only. Later also we are going to do data validation by using the Excel itself. That is the reason Excel also very important to learn before going to Power BI, and the SQL Server also, because just we are going to load the data from the different databases. We need to understand what kind of queries. Before doing some reports, we need to load the data. While loading the data itself, we can't take all the tables, all the databases data. So that just we are going to write some queries, like by using joins or else views. We are writing some queries retrieving related data itself. And later also, once after completion of the Power BI reports, we are going to validate the report by using the SQL Server queries. Why? Because we need to show them to the clients. Okay, both are matching. What we are taking the data from the database or else different sources, and what we developed the report, both should match the data. Then only we are doing the report in a proper way. So that is also one of the major thing. Just we call it as testing. And in the Power BI models, Power BI means not only Power BI desktop. Just we discussed, we have Power BI desktop and Power BI service. In the Power BI desktop, just we discussed Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. And the most important thing is DAX. So data analysis expressions. First, we should learn this DAX in depth, because if you wanted to create any kind of calculated columns and measures, we need the DAX, just like Excel formulas. That's why I told you to learn this Excel very clearly. Power BI mobile also one of the concept in the Power BI, and Power BI service. This is a very important thing nowadays, because to share the reports and create the data gateways, collaborating the reports and schedule refresh. There are so many things are there in the Power BI service. And Power BI report builder, we call it as paginated reports. Why? Because all the reports we can't develop in the Power BI desktop. For example, there are tables like huge records. All the records we cannot see in a single window. And when it comes to the exporting, in case if the client wants to export that report, when it was developed in the Power BI desktop, we cannot see all the data after exporting. That is the reason they are expecting the reports to build in the paginated reports. We call it as Power BI report builder. Nowadays, in every project, we have paginated reports. That's why we should learn this Power BI report builder compulsory, along with the Power BI other modules. And M language also. In case if you have some knowledge on M language, that is also added advantage. Along with these modules, cloud knowledge also extra added advantage. Just try to learn this cloud technologies like Microsoft Azure. Why? Because we are learning Power BI to become a Power BI developer, or else data analyst and a business analyst, report developers. So there are so many designations out there. For different purposes, we are using this Power BI for different designations, so that we should learn everything inside the Power BI. To learn this Power BI, no need any prior IT experience, and no need to have any programming knowledge background also, and anyone can learn this Power BI. Qualification is not required. Anyone can learn, because it is not a programming and it is not like a scripting, just a reporting tool. If it comes to the job opportunities, we have more job opportunities for both freshers and experienced candidates. Companies are recruiting these Power BI developers for different designations. and they are providing good salary packages for both freshers and experienced candidates. So in the market, there are so many job opportunities out there. Why? Because everywhere this Power BI reporting tool only using, comparing with all other reporting tools, because people wants to upgrade themselves from Excel to Power BI. So that is the reason we have so many job opportunities are there for this Power BI reporting tool. And the salaries also, when it comes to this, if you are good at Excel, SQL, Power BI and basic cloud knowledge, they are offering good packages also for both experienced and fresher candidates, so that the subject knowledge is important. You should learn everything. And before the Power BI, you should learn Advanced Excel, SQL Server as prerequisites. Power BI is the reporting tool. Anyone can learn easily, but we should learn in depth, not in basic level. So you should be expert in the Power BI, then only you are eligible to apply the jobs. For example, just we discussed complete Excel, SQL and Power BI, all the modules, desktop service, PageNetter reports, and Azure Cloud also added extra advantage. Trying to do the certifications also like Excel, SQL and Power BI also. PL300, Power BI certification, Power BI analyst. If you want to learn all these modules, it takes some time. So just try to spend some time and learn all these tools. Thank you friends. In case if you have any queries, any doubts, just please comment in the comment section. We will give you the reply to your queries. Once again, thank you friends. Please like this video and please do subscribe our channel.